Let's move ahead. So we started discussing work done in cyclic process. So you have realized that if we have a cyclic process, let's say a simple one, it starts from A and it end at A. This is pressure, this is volume. So basically cyclic process क्या होता है? Initial and final state is same. And in this, if we have to find out the work done, suppose if I have to find out the work done, so first I'll find out this area and then I'll find out this area. Fine. So I know that if in a PV curve, if this is the situation, that means volume is decreasing. So this work done will be negative. And this work done will be positive because it is expanding. So when I add them, then what the result that I get, that area inside the curve this gives me work done. Work done in cyclic process is area enclosed. Fine. ये आपके समझ में आ गया. अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि I know कि if clockwise cycle, यदि clockwise cycle है तो total work done positive होगा, और if anti clockwise cycle then total work done negative होगा. Simple. ये समझ में आया?
Yes.
तो ये चीज ध्यान देना है. यदि इस तरह से कर दिया जाए, वॉल्यूम y एक्सिस पे ले लिया जाए, प्रेशर x एक्सिस पे लिया जाए, तो फिर क्या होगा कि ये जो है then this now clockwise is positive. समझ सकते हैं? Understood?
Yes.